Hey guys, welcome back to our Advent series. I am a little bit sick today, so please excuse my voice, but we are back with another calendar. This is the Lash Vault 12 Days of Lashmas. It is a Lash Vent calendar, which is super cute. So this is how it looks on the inside. We have 12 little doors here. It says, may all your lash dreams come true. So yeah, it's very, very cute. So let's just get into it. I don't think it's going to stand. Oh, it will. Okay. Day 1. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll lay it down. Okay, day 1. We have a pair of lashes, believe it or not. I'm pretty sure all of these are going to be lashes. Okay, so day 1 we have, I don't know how to pronounce this, but these are our first pair of lashes here. They are absolutely stunning. They are massive, so big, but they look so beautiful. I think it's Arijana. I'm saying that wrong. I know I'm definitely saying that wrong. But anyway, that is day 1. Day 2 is next. Okay, so day 2 is called Sashi, and these are so beautiful. I actually really like them. These lashes are all looking really pretty so far, so it's great. On to day 3. I am having a little trouble with the actual calendar itself. I feel like the setup of it isn't that great because you pull the door and the whole thing, oops, comes out, and we've just lost a pair of lashes, so I don't know where they come from, but yeah, the actual calendar itself probably isn't set up in the best way. That is fine. And the doors don't actually rip properly either, but okay, day 3 is called Amani. Once again, these ones are really pretty. These ones are probably the shortest ones that we have received so far, but really pretty. They are called Amani. Okay, day 4. Day 4 we don't have any, so I'm guessing that is our Adriana lash, which are very cute. Those ones there. I feel like this advent calendar is a little bit hard because they're all lashes. It's kind of hard to be like to say much else about them, do you know what I mean? But so far so good. I like the styles we have. I think what I might do as well is after I film this, I might film a lash try on. Okay, day number 5. For day number 5, we have Sydney, and these ones are quite short. But still really nice. I will say the actual quality of the lashes do feel really nice. These definitely feel like my type of lash. Okay, day 6. Okay, day 6 is called NY. I actually really like these ones. These ones look really wispy. They're like, once again, like shorter lashes, but really cute. I feel like they are very pretty. Okay, day 7. Okay, we have Alana. These ones are super like spaced out and yeah, cute. Day 8. Okay, we have some very like unique names in here, names that I have not seen before. This one is called Gazella, and these ones are actually quite like a unique lash. Like they're really like spaced apart and quite thin, but like they still look really nice and full. So that is day 8. Day 9 is next. This is called Sarita, I think. These ones are super full and nice. Love them. Day 10. Day 10 is called Sierra. These ones are like, seem to be like a very light lash. Day 11. Oh, day 11's like peaking. Okay, day 11 is like, okay. I have some thoughts, but we'll save it for the end. Day 11 is called Bojana. I think I said that wrong. But anyway, that's day 11. And then I feel really guilty because the last day doesn't say day 12. It just says open on Xmas Day. And I'm like, I feel really bad, like, deliberately disobeying the advent calendar. Do you know what I mean? But anyway. Okay, there is no way I'm going to be able to pronounce this last pair. Capo d'Orlando? I definitely said that wrong. And once again, these ones look to be quite a lighter lash. Okay, first things first, I feel like the calendar needs to be designed better, because there is like just, I mean, actually, sorry, you can see where the little glue spots have been to stick it in here, but as you can see, it's just, the little doors did not like rip properly. Like they were like peeling like off the top layer like that, instead of actually like peeling at the door. And then it was really hard to actually get the lashes out, because this space is so like tight, if that makes sense. So I just feel like the actual calendar, I love the little book thing, I think that's so cute, but this little part, I feel like next year could probably be designed a little bit better. In saying that, I'm not super disappointed because this calendar was quite cheap. So not cheap, but like it's not like this was like a $200 calendar that's falling apart. I would have been really disappointed if it was. Just gonna have a quick look and see how much what this one was. So I really like that we got a lot of different like styles of lashes. Like I feel like they did a great job of putting in some really like full intense lashes and then some more like natural lashes. So I thought that they did a really good job of that. Okay, it's on sale at the moment for $34, but I think it was like 60. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was $69 when I bought it, and it's like half off now. So yeah, I'd probably get it now if you wanted to. But yeah, so like $69 isn't too bad. And for 12 pairs of lashes, that's really not too bad at all. My other critiques are, I hate that they come just like this, because I can't store these in my drawer really, because once I take them off, then I'm going to have lashes floating around my drawer. So I really don't like that. I feel like it would have been nice if they came like fully packaged. But that's just like another little critique. And another thing, I feel like this calendar, obviously I knew exactly what I was getting into. 12 days of Lashmas. We're expecting 12 days of eyelashes in here, so that's completely fine. That is what it's marketed as. But I feel like this calendar, you'd really have to find the right audience for it, because I feel like the average person might not want 12 lashes, because that was a lot. And going through the calendar, I was getting bored. And I know that sounds really rude, and I'm not trying to sound rude. This is just like my thoughts and stuff. Obviously, like I said, I know what we were getting into because I ordered this because it was 12 days of lashes. So I knew we were getting into that. But yeah, that is just my little critique. But yeah, for $69, which is what I paid for, that's less than $10 a lash. So I'm really not mad at all. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of some of these lashes. Some of them look really, really pretty. So I'm really excited for that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next one. Bye!